Hi everyone! Today we're talking about one of Python's coolest and most powerful features, comprehensions. If you want to write cleaner, faster, and more elegant code, this is your secret weapon. In Python, you can use comprehensions to create lists, sets, and dictionary in just a single line of code. Let's see how it works. Let's start with a list comprehensions. The basic formula is simple. You put an expression followed by a for loop inside the square brackets. For example, let's say we have a list of fruits and we want to create a new list containing the length of each fruit's name. Here is how easily we can do it. Let's print. Okay. Super clean, right? But what if we only want to calculate this for fruits that have more than 4 letters? We can simply add an if statement at the very end. Look at this. Okay. We can use the exact same logic to create sets and dictionary using curly brackets. Remember, a set automatically removes duplicate values. Let's say we have a list of names with some duplicates and we want to convert them all to uppercase while removing their repeats. Okay. Now, what if we want to dictionary instead? Let's map each unique name to its character count. We just need to provide a key value pair inside the comprehensions, like this. Okay. Comprehensions are incredibly powerful, but here is a pro tip. Don't overdo it. If your comprehension gets too long or complicated, it's destroy readability. Keep it simple. Once you get used to writing Pythonic code like this, it becomes a habit. Just like driving a luxury sports car. You won't ever want to go back to regular loops. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Python tips. See you in the next one.